Let's talk scale, because the AI real estate market is growing fast. According to the business research company, the global AI in real estate market is expected to reach nearly $1 trillion by 2029, up from just $222 billion in 2024. That's a compound annual growth rate of 34.4%. This isn't hype, it's momentum. And if you're in real estate, this alone should make AI part of your strategy. Let's start with something that feels like the future. Xiaomi has officially launched a fully autonomous smart factory. This next-gen plant operates 24/7, completely powered by AI and robotics, no brakes, no lights, no humans. It handles everything from design to production, even self-inspections and upgrades. It's not just efficient, it's a glimpse of what manufacturing could look like soon. This one's for the movie lovers. Higgsfield AI just dropped a feature called Iconic Scenes, and it's seriously cool. You upload a single selfie, and it recreates famous movie moments with you in the lead role. Whether it's a dramatic close-up or an action shot, you're suddenly the star of the scene. It's fast, fun, and another wild example of how AI is merging entertainment with personal creativity. Next up, OpenAI is bringing shopping straight into ChatGPT, and it's a big step forward. The new search update lets you get smart product recommendations using simple prompts. You'll see visual comparisons, prices, reviews, and more, all with zero ads or affiliate links, at least for now. It's another sign that LLMs aren't just answering questions, they are becoming the place people go to get things done. And here's a bold prediction from Microsoft that's catching attention. According to their latest report, the future of work won't be humans versus AI, it'll be humans leading AI. They envision a world where every employee manages their own team of AI agents, handling tasks, analyzing data, and executing strategies on their behalf. It's a new kind of workforce, and it's already starting to take shape. And finally, AI isn't just getting faster, it's getting smarter. A new IQ benchmark based on Mensa Norway's tests shows a major leap in reasoning ability across top AI models. Compared to last year, 2025 models are not only scoring higher, but some, like OpenAI's O3, are now ranking well above human average. It's a clear sign that AI isn't just evolving, it's learning how to think. Before I wrap up, I've got a great book this week. It's called Artificial Intelligence Applications Throughout the Real Estate Industry by Gilbert Castle and Srikanth Hemedi. This isn't a technical manual, it's a practical, in-depth guide that covers where AI has been, where it is now, and where it's going across every part of the real estate world. From appraisals to property management, financing, brokerage, and even regulation, it breaks down over 40 types of real-world AI applications and includes tools, companies, and use cases you can actually explore. If you're in real estate and want to stay competitive in the AI era, this one's a must-read. That's it from me today. See you next week with more AI updates and another book worth your time.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. I apologize if the sound isn't great. I'm traveling and have meetings outside, so not in a quiet place. But I'm going to spend a few minutes with you today going over the opportunities in the real estate sector and how AI is transforming that sector. So let's start. As we've said many times, if you attended our sessions, 2025 will be the year of AI agents, and actually it already is. So much happening in this space, specifically in the real estate sector. We have a lot of applications now, a lot of companies, real estate companies using AI, and it's proven to be so effective for them, so useful, such a cost saver and a great user experience for their customers. So we're going to talk today about how AI agents are transforming the real estate sector. And the best way to do this is to go through a typical real estate user life cycle. And we can start with, something that every one of us, as we're looking for a new place to buy or rent, we do an extensive search and try to find the best opportunity for us, suit our needs. So in the discovery and research phase, AI tools can do a really good job in working with the end customers, answering questions about many questions that they will have, identifying what could be the optimal profile of property based on their budget, based on their family circumstances, what they need, and be able to also produce reports about and pros and cons of different options. So this stage, using AI and the discovery and research, and this is where we're seeing the most use of our AI tools. It really helps the buyers and renters find, ideal options, increases their engagements. They can go back and forth. It increases the stickiness of their relationship with you as a real estate provider. So now on the back end, if you're a real estate company or a developer, and you're getting these inquiries, sorting through the best opportunities for your teams to handle is usually a challenge, because you have a lot of agents calling customers, but the customers might not be ready or might not be ideal. So AI tools can help provide the best, prioritize your sales funnel and provide your high profile, really effective human agents the opportunity to address the best leads. So the AI could have done some pre-screening, prioritize the opportunities, and then these get transferred to human agents. So it's really, really effective when it comes to lead qualification and screening, reduces time wasted, and prioritizes the high conversion prospects, as I mentioned. Now, beyond that, there are, of course, many cases where we want the leads to go and do, house visits, home visits, but there are so many leads that come that actually are just going to be on the tour. They're not really convinced yet. They're not ready to move in. And this is where virtual tools of the properties, accompanied with AI agents that can answer questions, walk the customer through the different virtual tools, do 100 tools without getting, tired, and without really causing much of a cost of negligible cost for the developer or the real estate agent, can be really effective. And then for the person looking for these properties, whether renting or buying, they'll have a lot of opportunities. They wouldn't feel bad. They could do it at their own convenience. If they've got work, they don't have to skip work, etc. So it's really effective in providing, these personalized experience and reducing the physical visits to only the top performing ones, the top prospects, the leads that can have the most chances of converting. Then when it comes to actually taking the offers, the application forms, there's a lot of forms usually. It's complicated legally. There are many terms that are used that are hard for end users to understand. This is where AI tools can help a lot. They can speed the process, engage the buyers, and basically ensure that people don't drop off because the application process is too complicated or there's something they didn't understand. So all of that could be improved a lot when you have AI agents empowering the application forms, and thus in doing so, empowering the end users with, any question that they have could be easily addressed by the AI agent on the calls. Take this forward to the agreement, and then being able to provide all of the details from the customer on a platform, such as uploading their IDs, all of that. So there are many tools now that are available where the customer doesn't even need to visit a branch of a real estate agent or a developer. They could do everything online. They could sign online, submit all their documentation. And again, you could have a chatbot or AI agent walk through the process with the customer, support them all through the way. And this is gonna, increase the amount of people going through this process efficiently, reduce your time to get people to move forward. And in in such a business, these are critical time savers. It's a lot of wasted money and time that goes into usually this process with a lot of back and forth as the customers understand the requirements. All of this could be fast forwarded through this process. Then the customer got their property, they moved in, and there are a lot of questions about how do I connect my electricity, telephones, etc. All of that can be offered and guided through an AI bot that could be created to serve as a sort of concierge for the person coming into their properties. This is a way where any questions answered, customers could feel really good about moving in. If they've got any concern, it can be addressed quickly. So this could reduce a lot the kind of negative sometimes feeling that people have as they move in and they face problems and challenges, even though it should be a really great experience for them moving into the new home. With AI tools, they can actually achieve that and have that great experience. And then as you're moving forward, the people are inside, there's, property issues that need to be handled. This is where, again, a concierge provided to the tenant or to the buyer can be available, handling all their maintenance issues, address, payments. It's, again, produce a great service while reducing the costs to manage it. Is usually done. So, and all of this is, when you put AI in the mix, you're doing this at scale. So across a big portion of people going back and forth. So you could start to predict maintenance issues in advance. You could start to identify certain problems that everyone's facing. All of this because you've got now digitally data to support any kind of business intelligence that you need to do. So these are some of the ways that AI today is really revolutionizing the real estate sector. And if you are a real estate company, I encourage you to think about how you can scale your offerings, create a team of 1,000, AI agents around you covering the different parts of that life cycle. And the best way really to start this efficiently is with AI text box and voice bot agents. They immediately provide value at different parts of that life cycle. And with time, you embed them and integrate them more and more into your systems so they could provide this seamless interaction for the end users. And you can see these as chatbots where people can submit documents and have it reviewed, etc. So text-based bots or voice-based AI agents that actually they could talk to and answer any questions like they would with a normal human being. So by doing that, by thinking about scaling your team effectively to thousands of new hires that are AI agents that can do their job really efficiently and well, you could improve the customer service and experience for your customers. And all of this is quite simple to do. You could try our one-click AI bot setup by talking to Rachel. So go to ai.potential.com/Rachel. And while you're on the call, you could set up a demo of your AI chatbot and give it a try. So I encourage you all to try that. And together, let's reimagine the real estate sector for the age of AI. There's a lot of great ideas. So what I've mentioned today are mainly ways in which you can improve the existing process. But as you start to implement these tools more and more, you're going to find new ways to applying that process to the next level and taking your business to the next level, while also providing a great experience for your prospects and customers. So that's it from my end. I wish you all the best with your AI onboarding journey and look forward to seeing you and hearing from you next week. Let us know in the comments if there's anything you want us to talk about in the coming weeks so that we can schedule it in. And we hope you find these sessions valuable. You're finding them valuable. All right, that's it from my side. Again, apologies for the non-quiet environment that I'm in, but better to get in touch with you and on a regular basis. I always like the interactions we have and to hear from you about how AI is supporting your business moving forward. Take care, good luck, and bye-bye.
Thank you, Shadi, for sharing those insights with us. Now, let's jump into some quick demonstrations where we'll show you some of our AI tools in action, including agents, coaches, chatbots, workflows, and more. As always, keep your questions coming in the chat. The team will be answering them as we go along. I'll hand it over now to our product and stakeholder teams.
AI voice agents have gone from nice to have to business critical in just a few years. And in 2025, they're reshaping how companies communicate, sell, and support. In this video, we're giving you the full breakdown: what AI voice agents really are, how they work, and why they're becoming a key part of modern business. Let's start with what they are. An AI voice agent is a smart system that can talk to people just like a human would, but with more speed, accuracy, and consistency. It listens, understands, and responds in real time. And the market is exploding. The global voice AI market is expected to grow from 2.4 billion in 2024 to 47.5 billion by 2034. That kind of growth tells you one thing: businesses everywhere are jumping in. Why? Because in 2025, people expect faster service, zero wait times, and 24/7 availability. And that's exactly what AI voice agents deliver. They don't sleep, don't get tired, and don't forget anything. They handle multiple calls at once, answer in multiple languages, and pick up on tone and urgency in a conversation. You'll find them in every industry. In retail and e-commerce, they help customers search, ask questions, and even complete purchases hands-free. In healthcare, they handle appointment bookings and post-visit instructions. Banks use them for balance checks, fraud alerts, and identity verification. Wherever there's customer interaction, there's an opportunity for voice AI. But it's not just about support. Voice agents also boost efficiency. They save money by taking over repetitive tasks, and they let your human agents focus on the stuff that really needs a personal touch. They also generate analytics and customer insights in the background, so you know what's working and what's not. Now let's talk about what they're made of. Voice agents combine speech to text, NLP, and text to speech to create a natural, human-like interaction. Many also use emotion detection and contextual memory to adjust how they speak or respond based on the situation. And they integrate with your systems, so they can pull from your CRM, place orders, and much more. Looking ahead, voice AI is only getting stronger. We're seeing more emotion-aware agents, more seamless cross-device conversations, and huge growth in voice shopping. People aren't just typing and clicking, they're talking. And if your business isn't listening, it's missing out. So how do you get started? That's where Rachel comes in. She's our AI assistant, and she'll help you build your own voice agent from scratch. No guessing, no coding, just straight guidance. Hey everyone, today we're diving into a voice showdown you don't want to miss. AI voice agents versus human agents. In a world where customer service is everything, who's actually better at answering our questions, solving our problems, and making us feel heard? You might be surprised by how far voice AI has come. And by the end of this video, you might be wondering why you haven't already made the switch. Customer service has evolved. People used to tolerate long wait times and robotic menus. Now, we expect instant, helpful, and personalized support, anytime, anywhere. Call centers aren't what they used to be. Today's support systems are built on automation, AI, and voice tech that can talk just like us. That's why AI voice agents are on the rise, and in many cases, outperforming humans. Human agents need breaks, schedules, and sleep. AI voice agents, they work 24/7, no coffee required. Whether it's 2 a.m. in New York or 5 p.m. in Sydney, AI voice agents are instantly available. They don't burn out and they don't call in sick. For businesses serving global customers, this is a game changer. Humans bring emotion, but also variation. One great agent, one tired one in training, you know the drill. AI voice agents, on the other hand, deliver consistency every single time. They stick to the script and use the right tone. In industries where accuracy and brand image matter, this level of consistency builds trust and loyalty. Let's say your system crashes and 2,000 customers call at once. What happens? Human teams panic. AI voice agents scale instantly. They can handle thousands of simultaneous calls without a single person waiting. That kind of scalability is essential during sales peaks, product launches, or crises. Your service never skips a beat. Hiring, training, salaries, benefits, human teams are expensive. AI voice agents, they're far less costly than building and maintaining a human support team. For startups or scaling businesses, this isn't just a perk, it's a necessity. You're not just saving money, you're redirecting those savings into growth and innovation. AI voice agents learn from every interaction. They recognize patterns, improve their responses, and offer businesses real-time data on customer behavior. That's not just automation, it's insight. You're not just resolving issues, you're learning what customers want, when they want it, and how to serve them better. But what about the human touch? Fair question. And yes, AI can't fully replace empathy, but it can recognize tone, urgency, and sentiment. It adapts language based on emotion. And when something's too complex or sensitive, it passes the call to a human instantly. Even better, AI never gets flustered, defensive, or frustrated. That calm, composed tone is exactly what many customers appreciate when they're stressed. Let's look at the numbers. 60% of customers prefer self-service, including voice AI. The market is projected to reach over $47 billion by 2034. And companies using voice AI are already seeing 50% lower support costs. Those aren't just stats. They're proof that voice AI isn't a trend, it's the new standard. Now, let's be clear. Human agents aren't going away. They're still vital for complex, emotional, or sensitive situations. But customers expect fast answers to simple questions, and that's where AI shines. The smartest businesses are using both. AI for scale and speed, humans for empathy and nuance. If you're not already exploring voice AI, you're not just behind. You're giving your competitors the edge. And here's the good news. You can start today. Check out Potential.com's voice agents and explore how they can transform your support.
Hey there, I'm Rachel, your super friendly AI sidekick, here to help you set up your very own AI voice agent. Just hit that shiny Talk to Rachel button and we'll get this party started. I'll pop up a quick little form. Just drop in your name, email, website URL, and give your agent a name. As we chat, I'll be building your custom AI voice agent trained on your website content. Your agent will be ready within a minute, and I'll send you an email with a link to test it out, plus all the details you need to get started. Oh, and you get 10 minutes free to try it, no strings attached. Never miss a lead again. Let AI handle your calls like a boss.
Before we jump into the Q&A, we have a special offer for you today. Experience our AI voice agent firsthand with a free 10-minute trial and 50% off your first month. Just use the code VOICE50. Don't miss this chance to upgrade your customer interactions. We hope today's session gave you a clear look at how AI agents can help you capture more leads, close deals faster, and streamline your real estate operations. If there's a use case or topic you'd like us to dive into in future sessions, feel free to drop it in the chat. We always build these around your needs. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated with all things AI. Thanks again for joining us today, whether you're watching live or tuning in through Zoom. Now, for everyone on Zoom, it's time to open the floor for your questions.